and welcome. La idea of this lesson is to practice the names of places around town, places that you might go to. It works with a free sheet that you can download from the link, and la idea is use a random number generator for numbers from 1 to 12, and the first person to correctly spell every one of the places in town is the winner, and you get a chance to spell them when the random number generator gives you that number, but you only get it if you spell it correctly. You can listen to the words on the video, and the words are from 1 to 12, 1 a 12. I'm going to say the full sentence. I'm going to the, and that could be voy al, I'm going to the, and a masculine thing, or voy a la, which is I'm going to the, and a feminine thing. Okay, I hope that's clear. If not, there are more instructions in the description for the video. Let's begin. 1. Voy al mercado. 2. Voy al parque. 3. Voy al cine. 4. Voy a la piscina. 5. Voy al centro deportivo. 6. Voy a la estación. 7. Voy al restaurante. 8. Voy a la casa de mi amigo o amiga. 9. Voy al centro. 10. Voy a la playa. 11. Voy al centro comercial. 12. Voy al instituto. 'The spellings for the words are all right at the end of this video, and I hope that you've been able to play with somebody who can check your spelling, so some kind of judge or arbiter or professor or profesora. I hope that you enjoy the game, and gracias for watching este video. Hasta luego. Adiós.